Social media has evolved from a fun pastime to an essential tool for business growth. In 2024, if you're not leveraging social media, you're missing out on some of the most powerful tools available for scaling your business. Whether you're a startup or an established company, social media provides countless opportunities to engage with your audience, increase brand visibility, and drive sales. So, how exactly can you leverage social media for explosive growth this year? Let's dive in. First, let's talk about the importance of choosing the right platforms. Not every social media platform is created equal. Understanding where your audience spends their time is crucial. Are you targeting young consumers? TikTok and Instagram are likely where you should focus your efforts. Are you looking to connect with professionals or B2B clients? LinkedIn is the platform for you. Each social media platform has its unique strengths, and aligning your business with the right platform can give you the best chance to succeed. One of the most important factors in leveraging social media is creating high-quality content. Gone are the days when just any post would do. In 2024, content is king, but only if it's engaging, relevant, and adds value to your audience. Whether it's entertaining videos, insightful blog posts, or captivating images, your content should resonate with your audience and make them want to interact with your brand. Consistency is key. Posting regularly is important to keep your audience engaged and remind them that you're there. Now let's talk about engagement. Social media is not a one-way street. It's a conversation. So don't just post and forget about it. Respond to comments, ask questions, and interact with your audience. When people engage with your posts, make sure you take the time to acknowledge them. This helps build a loyal community and fosters trust in your brand. In 2024, businesses that prioritize building authentic relationships will stand out from those who simply broadcast messages. Another powerful strategy is using influencers to amplify your message. In 2024, influencer marketing is more effective than ever, but the key is to choose influencers who align with your brand values and have a genuine connection with their followers. It's not just about how many followers they have. It's about how engaged and authentic that audience is. A micro-influencer with a niche following can often be more effective than a celebrity influencer. Remember, influencer partnerships should feel like a natural extension of your brand, not an obvious promotion. Paid advertising is also a game changer. In 2024, social media platforms have made it easier than ever to create and launch ads that target your ideal customer with pinpoint accuracy. Thanks to sophisticated algorithms, you can now target your ads based on location, interests, behaviors, and even income levels. Data analytics is key for proactive decision-making, enabling businesses to adjust inventory, refine marketing, and optimize supply chain management. A crucial aspect of this is data visualization, which simplifies complex data through graphs, pie charts, and heat maps, allowing quick identification of trends, correlations, and outliers. Visuals make data easier to understand and help communicate insights to team members and stakeholders. Dashboards can offer real-time business performance views, alerting to potential issues before they arise. Data democratization is also gaining momentum, emphasizing making data accessible to all employees, not just analysts. With user-friendly analytics tools, even non-technical staff can make informed decisions, fostering a data-driven culture that promotes collaboration and innovation. However, while data informs decision-making, human judgment remains essential. Data provides direction, but doesn't account for all variables like consumer behavior shifts or new competitors. Leaders should use data as a tool, not the sole driver in decision-making. Business decisions should be iterative, based on continuously updated data. Predictive analytics allows businesses to forecast trends and adjust strategies accordingly. One area where data analytics is particularly impactful is customer experience. By analyzing data on customer preferences and behavior, businesses can offer personalized experiences, improving customer loyalty. In 2024, companies leveraging data for this purpose will have a competitive advantage. Lastly, ethical considerations are critical when using data. Businesses must ensure transparency in data collection, prioritize privacy, and comply with data protection laws like GDPR. Ethical practices in data usage build trust with customers and should always be a key part of a company's data strategy.